Hello students, in this video you will learn how to subtract 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Students, previously you have already learned how to subtract 3-digit numbers with regrouping. So we are going to follow the same steps. First, let us subtract 4968 from 7873. First step is arrange the numbers in columns. So let's arrange these numbers. Ones, first make the columns, tens, 100, 1000. Now we'll arrange these numbers. As you already know, the greater number we'll write on the top. This is ones place digit, then tens, 100 and 1000. Now the smaller number we'll write below. Ones place digit is 8, tens place digit is 6, hundreds place digit is 9 and thousands place digit is 4. Now step 2. Subtract the ones. We have to subtract the digits of the ones column. Now here you can see we have to subtract 8 ones from 3 ones, which is not possible because 3 is smaller than 8. So we need to take borrow from tens column. So after borrowing 1 from tens column, we'll regroup the ones column as 3 ones plus. Now 110 contains 10 ones. So here we'll add 10 ones. So after borrowing, it will be 13 ones. So after borrowing, this 3 will become 13 and this 7 will be 6. Now we can easily subtract 8 ones from 13 ones. So 13 ones minus 8 ones, that is 5 ones. So 5 we will write in ones column. Step 3. Now we have to, in tens column, we have to subtract 6 tens from 6 tens. We can subtract. So 6 tens minus 6 tens, that will be 0. So 0 we will write in the tens column. Step 4. Subtract the hundreds. We have to subtract the digits of the hundreds column. Now students, we have to subtract 9 hundreds from 8 hundreds. Again 8 is smaller than 9, so we will take borrow. We'll take 1000 from thousands column. So we borrow 1000 from thousands column. So after borrowing, let's regroup hundreds column as 8 hundreds, and we borrow 1000 from thousands column, and 1000 is equals to 10 hundreds. So we'll add 10 hundreds here. So after borrowing, it will be 18 hundreds. So this 8 will become 18 after borrowing, and this will be 6 now. Now we can easily subtract 9 hundreds from 18 hundreds. So 18 hundreds minus 9 hundreds, that is 9 hundreds. So 9 we'll write in hundreds column. Now we have to subtract 4 thousands from 6,000. So step number 5 is subtract thousands. 6,000s minus 4,000s, that will give 2,000s. So 2 we'll write in thousands column. So 7,873 minus 4,968 gives 2,905.